Today, I'll walk you through how to add an image in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to incorporate images into your reports so you can enhance your data visualizations and make your presentations more engaging. Let's get started. First, open your Power BI dashboard. This is where all the magic happens and you'll be creating your visual reports. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Now look at the top ribbon of your screen. You will see various tabs. Go to the Insert tab. This tab is like the toolbox for your report where you can add different elements to enhance your visuals. In the Insert tab, find the Elements section. Here you will see an option labeled Image. Click on this option. This is your gateway to adding visuals that can help tell your data story more effectively. Images can evoke emotions and provide context that numbers alone cannot. Next, a file dialog will open, prompting you to browse your computer. Here, select the image file you want to add. Power BI supports various formats including PNG, JPG, JPEG, GIF, and SVG. Once you've found your desired image, click Open. Now that your image is on the canvas, you can customize it. Click and drag the handles on the image to resize or move it around the canvas. Think of this like rearranging furniture in a room. You want to create a layout that is visually appealing and easy to navigate. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image to your Power BI report. This simple step can significantly enhance the overall look and feel of your data presentation. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.